It's always nice to have a little direction when colouring flowers. What colours should the petals be? What about the leaves? What markers should I use? Our product development team wanted to provide an easy-to-create experience for inspiring artists. We wanted fellow artists of all skill levels to be able to create something beautiful, quickly, easily, and with minimal stress. We want art to be an easy and relaxing experience, so we designed the Colour by Number Instant Artist Blooming Floral Set and our specially curated Acrylic Marker 24 colour set. The Acrylic Marker 24 colour set is a vibrant and essential addition to any artist toolkit. Unleash your creativity with these opaque, dazzling colours, carefully curated for a spectrum that spans from delicate pastels to rich, deep hues. Each pen features a modern tip, ensuring precision and versatility across various surfaces. The markers are water-based so you can enjoy smooth applications for seamless blending and layering. They are also acid-free, perfect for creating lasting art without the fear of yellowing over time. These markers are extremely versatile and ideal for a wide range of surfaces, including paper, cardstock, wood, plastic, and more. Our Colour by Number Instant Artist Blooming Floral Set is perfect for both beginners and experienced artists looking to explore their creativity and enjoy a relaxing experience. Each sheet comes on an A2 cardstock, which is £80. The set includes 6 beautiful floral designs. Just add colour and watch them transform. These designs are sure to inspire and bring out the artist in you. Each design comes with 2 colour outlines, one in black for a traditional Colour by Number experience, and one in grey for a no-line look. This gives you the flexibility to choose the style that best suits your artistic preferences. These 2 products work perfectly together. Our team worked tirelessly to test out the perfect combination of markers and paper to help you create the most beautiful piece of art in your crafting space. Enjoy relaxing and unwinding after a stressful day while building up your creative confidence before tackling a larger project. You can choose to frame your favourite coloured images to decorate your space or add them onto a card front for a quick and easy handmade card. We can't wait to see your creativity takes you playing with our new acrylic markers and our Colour by Number set.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.